Animals in Nature, The Secret of the Golden Beetle. In the heart of a magical rainforest where sunlight danced through the leaves, lived a peculiar family, the leafcutter ants. One day, their queen went missing. Deep within the forest, a golden beetle carried the missing queen. The leafcutters knew she was special, but they didn't know why. The ants gathered at the entrance to their hill. Their leader, Tiny, spoke, "We must find our queen. If she's been taken, we will fight for her." Trembling with determination, they set off into the forest. They journeyed deeper into the forest, meeting other animals who had heard of the missing queen. Each shared what they knew about the mysterious golden beetle. Some spoke of its beauty, others warned of its cunning. The ants finally arrived at a towering tree where they saw the golden beetle. They stood in awe of its brilliance. "We've come for our queen," declared Tiny. The beetle seemed to ponder. One by one, the ants climbed the massive tree. At last, Tiny reached the beetle's hiding place. The beetle opened a secret compartment, revealing their missing queen. The queen was returned, and the ants rejoiced. They learned that the golden beetle had been caring for their queen due to her incredible healing powers. The forest animals celebrated together, now bound by respect and friendship. The forest flourished under their care. Each animal played a role, from the ants tending their garden to the birds singing melodies that kept predators at bay. The golden beetle continued to visit, reminding them of their unity. One day, they found a fallen leaf that began to change before their eyes. It transformed into a beautiful flower, symbolizing the power of unity and the wonder of nature. The queen ants worked tirelessly to maintain their thriving colony, and the other animals continued to aid them whenever possible. Their bond had grown stronger, and the forest was more vibrant than ever before. One day, they held a ceremony to celebrate their unity and respect for nature. They thanked the golden beetle for its help, promising to always cherish and protect the forest together. As the sun set, they shared stories of their journey and vowed to always work together. They closed their eyes, feeling the warmth of friendship and love that connected them all. The next day, they awoke with newfound determination. They understood that their unity was the key to protecting and preserving their beautiful forest home. The golden beetle, watching over them, knew the future held endless adventures and friendships.